Ape Coin is absolutely soaring today. Ape Coin sitting around $12, $12.50, up about 20% on the day, and it just seems to be growing and growing and growing. I'm not talking just about Ape Coin at this point, but I'm talking Yuga Labs, the company out there, or I guess, yeah, it is a company, right? And they're issuing cryptocurrencies and they're raising funds. Things are starting to get a little gray. I'm going to put that out there right now, especially if you are invested into ApeCoin or these NFTs. They are being treated as something that would, I guess, resemble a security in a form. So I do see some, I guess, potential litigation ahead for Yuga Labs and the use of their cryptocurrencies and NFTs out there. But I want to break it down. I want to talk about how much money Yuga Labs is making. I want to talk about ApeCoin and its future because the projects seem to be growing. And if the projects are growing, the coin should grow just along with it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. You're going to get 5 free stocks there, but if you guys want to trade ApeCoin, you can use Gemini and Crypto.com in the description. You guys are going to get crypto rewards just for doing so, and it is available on those platforms, so make sure to check it out. But let's talk about this, because Yuga Labs has raised $450 million. That's just in a capital raise, and that puts the valuation on Yuga Labs at $4.5 billion right now. This is a multi-billion-dollar company at this point, and all they're doing is running NFTs. They have 4 NFT projects after acquiring, I believe, 2 more. They got CryptoPunks now and Meebits or something. I'm not a huge NFT guy. I don't know I don't know all of the projects that are going on out there, but all of the big ones, they're under one roof, and that roof is Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs is raising a ton of money, and they're going to be building out a metaverse project. Now, I want to talk about how this is going to affect ApeCoin, because ApeCoin is part of the Yuga Labs ecosystem, in-house, it's their currency, right? It's their coin that they got out there. And we've talked a lot about it on this channel already, about the fact that these Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club owners were able to go out there and claim free ApeCoin, hundreds of thousands of dollars per NFT in free ApeCoin if you owned one of those. And when things grow this fast, I understand that if you're out there, and Yuga Labs, I get it. If they're raising $450 million, I know they've got lawyers that are going to be backing up those transactions and looking at every single deal being made. I'm not a lawyer, but I can speculate, right? And we can look on the outside in, looking through the window, and if it walks like a duck, talks like a duck, and smells like a duck, guess what? It's probably a duck. And if you're acting like a company, you're raising capital like a company, and your cryptocurrency looks like a company's stock, well, then I guess the SEC is going to have to figure that one out a little bit later, and we will see what happens there. But ApeCoin performing beautifully right now in a very volatile state. ApeCoin came out, launched around $20. People were claiming ApeCoin for free, so of course they sold off, and it is on the rise again. Sitting at another $2.5 billion traded today. It's got over a $2 billion valuation on it. And the question on everybody's minds, will it continue to move higher? Now, I want to tie this in with the metaverse project they've got going on, because if all of this stuff plays out, I'm going to say yes, it is likely to see ApeCoin moving higher in price, simply because we are seeing a conglomerate being built right now, and it is just taking over the space. So why do I say that? Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, these CryptoPunks, they're like the premier NFT projects that are out there. Extreme volume, and just to talk about how much volume these NFT projects have had, you might not know this, but you can see some leaked data, right? And Yuga Labs is not commenting on this leaked data, but based on the transactional volume of these Bored Ape and Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFTs, Yuga Labs profited $137 million simply on people trading these Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, trading these NFTs, all of the transactional, I guess, taxes that were charged to the traders goes to Yuga Labs, and it resulted in $137 million being made Incredible. Now, $137 million, excellent. $450 million equity raise, excellent. What does it transfer into? They're looking to build a metaverse space, and I absolutely believe this metaverse space could be a catalyst for ApeCoin into the future. Does it only include those guys that are well off enough to own Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht? No. Everybody is going to be integrated. They want to integrate, if you own an NFT, this is the metaverse to go to. Now, I will say this, I am sure that they are going to have, I guess, different priority levels, and if you're one of their NFTs, I'm sure you're going to get treated a little bit better. You might get better land. I don't know what their metaverse is going to look like right now. They do plan on gamifying it, making it one of those MMORPGs. So I don't know, guys. I'm not a huge gamer. I do know MMORPG, but they're acting like they're going to make this huge gaming platform that everybody's going to be interested in. So let's go along with that. If they do take this equity raise, the $450 million, if they take their $137 million, if they're sitting on $600 million in cash to build out this metaverse, it's going to be big. And if they're able to accomplish what they want to do, ApeCoin will follow, especially if it's going to be required in order to participate in this metaverse in any way. Now, they have not announced that yet, but ApeCoin being Yuga Labs' creation, ApeCoin being the cryptocurrency that they use, everything else integrated into the NFTs, one would assume that there would be utility for ApeCoin within this metaverse. And if it comes to be that that's the case, I absolutely think we could see a huge demand increase for ApeCoin along the way. And we know anytime demand increases, unless the supply is increasing in lockstep, we should see the price increase as well. It's a simple supply and demand curve. Demand goes up, supply stays the same, price has to follow demand up. So assuming that the supply is going to relatively stay the same, demand increasing so people can utilize the NFTs in the metaverse there, I absolutely think that ApeCoin could have a great future. I'm still not sold on whether or not this is the time to get in, simply because of the ICO volatility, that initial coin offering, and the volatility that's associated with all of them. We still may see the dust settle on ApeCoin and figure out where the best entry point is. Look, if you're more conservative, wait out the ICO. If you're more aggressive, hey, take the chance, right? That's all it boils down to, is your risk, your reward tolerance, and what you see fit as an investor. I still do not have any ApeCoin myself. I'm looking forward to the future. And man, $4.5 billion valuation on Yuga Labs. They are doing something right at this point. I want to know what you guys think. You got any ApeCoin? You're going to be participating in this metaverse? You get your eyes set on an NFT out in the Yuga Labs metaverse? Let us know in the comments below. This button right here is still red. Make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will BinanceGeminiCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.